Greetings, Biafrans, greetings, lovers of freedom. I want you people to pay attention to this very video you are seeing on the screen. The person you are seeing here is the Supreme Governor of Imo State, in the person of Hope Uzodinma, the Udele Nelios one of Imo State. For the first time, he is saying something that is absolutely correct with his mouth. In the recent days, we have seen Nigerian police and Nigerian army acting dramas, trying to implicate or indict IPOB leadership, most especially China Sanworu and the Ema Powerful, trying to tell the world that these people are sponsoring the criminal activities that is going on in Biafraland. But today, Hope Uzodinma have come to exonerate and vindicate IPOB, that the IPOB has no hand in every activities and the atrocities that is happening in Biafraland. Let us listen to him so that you will see the truth and know the people behind the kidnap and the killing of Ndibo in their own land. So that if somebody tell you that IPOB is involved in all these things, hear the truth now from Hope Uzodinma, because I know after this he will come to do damage control. But I want you to hear the raw truth coming out from Hope Uzodinma so that you will know the truth, so that nobody will deceive you, so that people will stop staining the name of IPOB and the name of Ema Powerful and China Sanworu. In this video, Hope Uzodinma mentioned those who are committing this crime. I want you to pay attention as we watch the video. Watch it.
If anybody tells you that IPOB is the one killing people in Oluzon, it is not correct. Wicked politicians are sponsoring the killings in Olu. Last week in Oberuru, the APC ward chairman was killed in his house. The APC secretary was killed in his house. APC woman leader was killed in his house. I have cross-checked. Since the inception of this banditry, not one PDP man has died. Not one PDP man, his house has been attacked or burnt. So it is very clear to me that these people are after APC. I am sorry for those who will come in a very naked daylight and want to be after government. Only a weak government can allow that. It is my hope that the people who are doing this will use the period of Easter and they repent. If they don't repent, government will come all out. I have decided to say this because the people behind this are also carrying the blackmail. They are the one that will kill. They are the one that will come out to blame government. They think we don't know what they are doing. I think their cup is now full. And killing of innocent people must stop in Imo State.
Now, I believe you have listened to the Hope Uzodinma. According to him, the people that are killing, he is now telling that if any person tell you that IPOB are the people killing anyone in the East, that is a lie. Now, when they manage those videos you see, and you see one person coming to tell you that he is the one, he is a member of ESN, he is the one who shot Ahmed Gulak, the APC top member in Imo State, are you seeing the truth? Who Uzodinma have vindicated IPOB and they exonerate IPOB from all the crime. When we tell you that all these things are politically motivated, many of you don't understand it. These are political opponents. They are assassinating themselves and they are now trying to target to IPOB because all of them, both the 3 or the 4 political parties in Nigeria in the East, all of them hate themselves and they also hate IPOB. So when they kill each other, the only fastest way to put it is they will target IPOB so that they will continue hide their atrocities. But hope Uzodinma, for the first time, you say the truth. And I want you also to tell the world how you have slaughtered the innocent Biafrans. Please tell the world the truth, because it will go a long way. Biafrans and lovers of freedom, once again, my name is MAP Ezioku Bundo, one in Biafraland. Remain blessed as I am bringing the truth. In this platform, you hear nothing but the truth. Before we bring video or anything we say here, we come with proofs so that you will not say you are not informed. Thank you and remain blessed. Stay tuned for more videos.